Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today I'm going to show you how to clean any corrosion off of your battery terminals. It doesn't take any longer than 10 minutes and you're only going to need a few things, so let's get to it. Alright, so what you're going to need, you're definitely going to need some gloves. We're dealing with battery acid and it is not fun to have on your skin. You will need a set of wrenches or a ratchet and some sockets. You will need some brushes. You will need some battery cleaner and some battery terminal protector. Now you can get away with using baking soda. That will work just fine. I highly recommend picking up a couple of these battery terminal protectors. You can put some dielectric grease on here and it will do the same thing. That's usually what these have on it. It just says oil based, but yeah, it's just dielectric grease that they usually put on here to protect any moisture getting onto the terminals, and that's usually what causes corrosion. It's moisture and the off-gassing of the battery acid. You will need some rags because this will get messy. And you will need one of these battery post cleaners. You can pick these up at any auto parts store. Everything that I'm using right now, I will link in the description below. And you're gonna need about 10 minutes of your time, so let's dig right into this. All right, so as you can see right here, there is a lot of corrosion on this battery terminal. So we're not gonna just take it off because that will spray or make the corrosion just like go everywhere. So we're going to spray some of the cleaner, and that also neutralizes any of the battery acid. So we don't want to get that on any metal. So we're gonna spray each terminal. This one is actually not bad, but we're gonna spray this terminal, let it sit on there, wipe it off real quick, and then we're gonna take off the terminal and remove the battery. All right, so this will get messy, so be prepared for catching some of it with a couple of rags. So if it's like this close, I'll usually put a rag around it. Then we're just gonna spray it. And then when it's neutralized, it'll turn a different color. There we go. So let's go ahead and take most of this off. Some of that cleaner will get on some of the other stuff, so we can just wipe it off afterwards. All right, so now we should be good to go ahead and remove each terminal. All right, there's that. And then we just need to remove this strap. All right, now we can take the battery out and then work on it. Now, before we go ahead and work on the battery, let's spray a little of this in here to neutralize any of the acid. And while that's neutralizing, we'll go ahead and spray this terminal one more time. Get a brush in here and start brushing all that stuff out. Grab your brush, get the inside of it. We'll do a quick wipe off. And then we'll spray it one more time. This terminal is just covered in corrosion. That's wild. All right, this actually needs to get sprayed one more time. And while we're at it, we can go ahead and clean the positive terminal. Just get it clean. There's no corrosion on here, which is nice. All the corrosion is literally just on the negative terminal. Whenever you're done, you can just rinse this off with water if you need to, or you can just wipe it off with a rag. All right, once you're done wiping it off, we're gonna let it dry. And while we're letting it dry, we can go ahead and move on to the battery. All right, so as far as the battery goes, we are going to do the same thing. Since we already had some of it on there, we're just going to wipe off the excess, and then we're gonna spray it down one more time. We'll spray some over on the positive side. And while that's doing its thing, we'll go ahead and start brushing it. Take our other brush, hit the base of the terminal. And then we can wipe them off. All right. Now they are good and clean. We can go ahead on to step 2. All right, step 2 is the battery terminal protection. So with this, it is a little messy. You are going to put on 2 light coats. So spray it on the terminal, both sides. Let it tack up for a minute. Once it's done tacking up, hit it one more time. If you got it anywhere else on the battery, you can do a quick wipe down. Now we can go ahead and add our battery felts. Put those on here. And then now we can reinstall the battery and spray some of this protectant on the battery terminals itself. And then we're done. Alrighty guys, the battery is in. Now let's go ahead and spray some of the protectant on the terminals itself. So whenever we do this, it does make a mess. So I like to just spray the underside real quick. Let it tack up. I'll also get the positive side. Throw it on there. And then I'll do a final spray down. Last thing to do, tighten down your terminals. Put your cover on the positive side, and then go ahead and just reinforce your battery. And we are done. You can go ahead and verify that the car starts, but that is it. Now your terminal is 100% protected. It won't corrode for a while. Now you just need to go ahead and clean up your mess and call it a day. And it's running just fine. All right, guys, there you go. That's how you go ahead and clean a corroded battery and protect it properly. Check that out. Looks brand new. Well, besides the red tint to it. But yeah, that's all we need to do. Before, it was awful. You should have seen it like a month ago whenever I cleaned it the first time. It was like caked on there. But yeah, now we shouldn't have any weird starting issues or anything like that. So if you guys found this video helpful, sweet. Glad to help you guys out. And make sure your battery terminals are nice and clean. That will solve a lot of weird start issues, dim lights, or poor charging. So anyway, like always, I'll catch you guys on the next ride.